Most humans cannot hear above 20,000 Hertz. Let's see how high you can hear. This is 100 Hertz. This is 600 Hertz. This is 1,500 Hertz. This is 1,700 Hertz. This is 1,900 Hertz. And finally, this is 2,000 Hertz. Did you catch it?